So this is speed revision 10. Right? Speed revision 10. So do it fast. Right? Write down the question at the same time, provide the answer. Now then,
You gave the third.
so the method, right? In the speed revision 9 also I have given the same question previously I have done. So here please correct it as 1. Method 1 correct. Method 1 correct. Do this. Another 30 seconds remaining. Sorry. Now it is 15 seconds. Huh? Right. Okay. I am going to start discussing. Right. Find the general term of this number pattern. 10, 7, 4, 1. It is a decreasing number pattern, right? So in the speed revision 9 also we did the increasing number pattern. Now this is a decreasing number pattern. First of all, you need to find the general term. Haridhar? Right. Okay. So first of all, I am going to write in the main. This is part A. Right? So 10 minus, 10, 7, 4, 1. So I need to find the difference or the common difference or CD whatever, right? CD whatever equal. I have to choose first term, except first term, any term, right? Any term except first term. So I will choose 4 at the first place. Then minus, if I choose 4 as the first term, so previous term is 7. 4 minus 7. So the difference is 4 minus 7. It is giving you minus 3. How that? Minus 3, that means negative 3. II is 7, right? So if you subtract these two, you will get negative 3. Can you remember Lamya? Baba Mother? Right? So he is keeping this minus 3 in his mind like minus 3n. So multiples of minus 3. So now you are going to write multiples of minus 3n, right? Multiples of minus 3. So what are the multiples of minus 3? Starting from n equals 1, minus 3, right? Then minus 6, then minus 9, then minus 12, right? So here we have 10, 7, 4 only, right? So I am going to write my original number pattern under this, right? First term is minus 3, so my first term is here 10, right? Comma. Second term is 7 under minus 6. Third term is 4 under minus 9. Fourth term is 1 under minus 12. So it continues. Right? So this is enough. Maybe. So now tell me, right? Now tell me how to obtain, right? How to obtain number 10 by using minus 3. How to obtain 7 by using minus 6. Right? Can anyone tell me how much should be added to minus 3 in order to get positive 10? I have given you a little bit of tip when I am doing the number pattern lesson. Arun, can tell me how much you are going to add to obtain positive 10 by
At 30. At 30.
yes, at 30. So here you have negative 3 in it. If you have negative 3 something like Harder, you need to obtain positive 10 by using this negative 3. So by using this negative 3, you are going to obtain positive 10, right? You are going to add positive 13, right? Positive 13. If you add positive 13 to negative 3, right? Positive 13, negative 3. You will get more than 10. Right? That means 13 minus 3, 10. Right? Then same thing here. Right? Add 13 to 6. That means 13 minus 6, 7. Right? What is here? 13 minus 6. So all the way around from here, you are going to add 30. So this is my other thing. Right? You are going to remember. Right? Mukadda? At 30. If you connect these two, you can obtain the general term. If you connect these two, you can obtain the general term. So I will do it. Right? So you can write down the general term, which is Tn, right? Equals, right? Minus 3n. Don't forget that. Minus 3n plus 13. Minus 3n plus 13. පුතේ මතක නැත්තම් පාඩම් ටික බලන්න වෙනවා, right? Minus 3n plus 13, right? So part B, right? So this is the answer for part A. Now I am going to discuss the part B. Find the 11th term. Find the 11th term. So how you are going to find the 11th term of this? Right? You are going to substitute n equals 11. N equals 11, right? T11 equals, here you have minus 3. Instead of n, you are going to substitute 11 plus 30 plus 30. Are equal mark. Negative 3 into positive 11, negative 33. Negative 33 plus 30. Two directed numbers. If you have two directed numbers to be added, this is negative 33, positive 33. Just forget the signs. Take the two numbers and get the subtraction. 33 minus 13, it is 20, right? How we are going to decide the sign of this 20? Who is the bigger one? 33 is the biggest. So sign is negative. So this is negative. Negative 20. Right? Negative 20. Right. So the term 11 is negative 20. Right. Now, part C. Is negative 3 a term of this number band? Is negative 3 a term of this number band? So I have clear this babav. Our babav clear karano, right? So that means you need to check whether you are getting an integer for your n or not. right? So Buddha, they are asking from you, part C is -3 a term of this number pattern. So Buddha, you need to equate Tn to -3. Then Tn means your general term. This is it, right? -3n plus 13 equals -3. Right? So now you are going to find the value of n. If n is an integer, yes, it is a term. If n is not an integer, if you obtain a decimal number, right? -3 is not a term of the number pattern, right? So you know how to simplify this. -3n here. This is positive 13. Positive 13 goes to this side, right? By negating it, right? -3 minus 13, right? -3 minus 13. Here you have -3n now, right? Same direction. Ekam පැත්තට යන්නේ. -3 minus 13. So same directed numbers. So add them. 3 plus 6, 13, 16. Right? 16. So sign is same. Minus. So you are going to divide this side by -3 and this side by -3 in order to obtain the value of n. Negative divided by negative, positive. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Negative divided by negative, positive. Can you divide 16 by 3 without any remainder? No. Right? So you will be having n is something 3 times 5, 50. Remainder is 3.5.3 something. Right? So this cannot be, right? N is not an integer. So -3 is not a term of this number pattern. So you can write it separately. Yeah, you can separately liana. So n is not an integer. Right? N is not an integer. Therefore, right? Therefore, -3 is not a term. Is not a term of the number pattern. Right? Right. So I will do this one. Find the perimeter. Right? Right? So here you have 2 cm and this length is 4 cm. So if you want to find the perimeter of this figure, very easy. How many 2 cm's are there? Right? How many 2 cm parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to multiply this by 4. Plus perimeter, how many 4 cm parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 cm parts, you have 8 4 cm parts. So the perimeter means the outside length of the figure. So you have to add the all lengths. 2 times 4, 8 centimeter plus 4 times 8, 32 centimeters. So add them together, 8 plus 32, all together 40 centimeters. Right?
The square centimeters.
Square centimeter? When you are finding perimeter? Oh my god, it's area. Right? So for the perimeter, right, it is centimeters, right? Area square centimeters. Okay, Vidusha? Right. So 3 subtract. Can you remember? Yes. So here 0 minus 1. Can you do that? No. See here also 0. Can you do that? No. So take here you have 1. Right? Take 1 from here. It becomes 2 until this place. This is 2. When 2 is jumping, right? He is dropping 1, 1, 1 behind him. So here now you have 1. It's a 1 thing. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now previously we had here 1, but we have taken that 1 to our right hand side, but now we have 0 there. 0 minus 0, 0. Now here I have again 0, 0 minus 1 you cannot do. So here again 0, so cannot do. Here you have 1. Take 2 to this place. 2 minus 1, 1. When it jumps, dropping ones behind it. So here 1, right? 1 minus nothing, so 1, keep 1 here, right? Here earlier we had 1, but we do not have 1 there now because we have taken that 1 to the other side, right? So this should be your answer. Make it my answer, right? Fractions, both means, right? I will write both means. Alright. So do we have brackets? No. Do we have off? Yes, right? So equal mark. Here I have an mixed number. At the same time, I am going to convert that mixed number into an improper fraction. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. Right? So I am going to put bracket because I have off. First of all, I am going to deal with off until I get one single fraction inside this bracket. Alright? So the 3 upon 2. Same time, I'm going to convert this off into a multiplication. Right? 5 upon 6. Put brackets, division, I am not going to touch these things. 10 upon 8 multiply 3 upon 2, right? Equal mark, I am going to simplify this. Can I simplify numerators and denominators? Yes. 3 times 1, here 3 times 2. So numerator 1 times 5, 5. Denominator 2 times 2, 4, right? Now no need to put bracket. I have obtained a single fraction, right? So now I have a division mark here. 10 upon 8 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Okay. So of thing is okay. Now do we have divisions? Yes. Here I have a division. So put a bracket. Right? Put a bracket. Then multiply 3 upon 2. Right? Now I am going to simplify this bracket until I get a single fraction inside the bracket, right? So division, sir. So I am going to simplify this. Equal mark. Okay. 5 upon 4. Right? 5 upon 4. This is division. I am going to convert it into multiplication. At the same time, I am getting the reciprocal of my right hand side fraction. 10 upon 8 means 8 upon 10. Right? Brackets, multiply 3 upon 2. Right? Can we simplify the numerators and denominators? Yes. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 1. Inside the bracket, we are having 1. Right? So here I have 1 times 3 upon 2. What is this? 1 times 3 upon 2. Again 3 upon 2. Right? This is an improper fraction. You know how to keep it as an mixed number. 3 upon 2 is equal to, I will write it here. 3 upon 2 is equal to 1 and 1 upon 2. Right? 1 and 1 upon 2. So this should be the final answer for this. Right? Okay. Hope you got something from this. So thank you for waiting. It's 9 p.m. Right? Right. Okay, buddy. So I'm going to wind up the session from here today. Right? If you